Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot.
What's up, loves? What's up, divas and divos? It's your girl April. I am on a roll today, like a massive video roll. I think I'm done 8 videos today. I really didn't feel like changing my shirt. So you will see me in this same Walking Dead tank top for quite a few videos. So you guys just gonna have to get over it, okay? Today's video is sponsored by Yume Hair. If you guys remember that curly weave, not weave, but lace front that I did like months ago, I love it. Like, it is still hitting and I still wear it. Well, it is them, yume.com. Now they got some totes. So I got me like a silver tote and stuff. So they did send me some hair, a lace front, not a 360, but just a regular lace front. And this is the 14-inch bob. So I don't really like bobs too much. You guys already know that. So I had to go ahead and kind of like change this up a little bit. I know I always be like, oh, I don't like no bobs. Oh, I don't like bobs. Because I really don't. Because I have like a long face. And like certain things just don't look good on me as they would other people. So I try to steer clear of the things that don't sit well with me. And bobs are some of them. So that's why I styled this one in a different way. So we're just going to get into this real quick. It does have combs and an adjustable strap. A girl got a little bit too busy and didn't sew an elastic band in it, but you know what, I never sewed an elastic band in the other one that they sent me, so like, you know, I don't really need one in this one either. So I went ahead and used my magic wand kind of thing, whatever you want to call it, by Irresistible Me, and curled this like this because I just needed it to be different. I needed it to be totally different, okay? Okay, so I will give it to them. This was, well, not to them because they ain't the ones that curled it. I did. I'll give it to myself. This, I like this length, but I have to have it curl. Like, I can't wear it straight. It's not for me straight. So this one right here is pre-plucked. It does look really natural in the front, as you guys can see right there. I have seen some that are a little bit better than this one, but this one is really exceptional. So I do like the fact that it's very neatly done and it's just affordable. Now, you know me, guys, I'm cheap all the way. I come through with some cheap hair for you guys. So this is one of them. This one from Yume, this bob is really pretty. Like I said, I don't do the bobs, but I can curl a bob and make it look totally different. So you guys probably are seeing that it is a little bit longer in some parts in the front, and I think it was probably like a symmetrical bob, whatever. Either way, I think that this suits me much better than it going straight. I don't know, I have a longer head, so I really don't like it to be flat against my head. But yes, you definitely check out Yume, and if I remember, I will post the other video that I did for them below. Let me know what you think of this one. Did I curl it good or what? Yes. So on that note, stay diva and divalicious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in a soon to come video with a new shirt on. Yes.